Our Midas tip of the week concerns storing machinery that you only use seasonally. This snowblower is a perfect example, but you may be able to use some of these tips for other types of machinery you own. For example, one key item that you really need to take care of is the fuel system. Now in this case, this machine has a plastic tank, so corrosion isn't a big problem, but a lot of small engines like this have metal tanks, and corrosion's a big problem. If that's the case, you're better to put fuel stabilizer in with the fuel and fill the tank right up so that it won't rust. After you add the fuel stabilizer, run the machine for several minutes so that the stabilizer not only gets in the gas, but gets in the carburetor as well, so that the gas in the carburetor doesn't go bad. This fuel stabilizer, you add 5 milliliters per liter, and it'll keep your fuel from going bad. The other thing you want to do is oil the upper cylinder area of the engine, and that's where a product like this aerosol engine store comes in really handy. You spray it through the air inlet of the engine while it's running and literally drown the engine out with this oil. It kind of foams up like shaving cream. After you've snuffed the engine out, you take the spark plug out and spray a little bit more in the spark plug hole. That keeps the cylinder walls and piston rings wet, keeps the valves lubricated, and stops any corrosion in the top end of the engine. Make sure that your crankcase oil is clean as well. If it isn't, change it. That's your Midas tip of the week.
If you consider Motoring TV's been on the air for 30+ years, there's no doubt you've missed a few episodes. Well, there's a couple of ways you can catch up and make sure you don't miss anything. First, you can go to YouTube and look up just segments or complete shows. Also, if you want to know what we're doing, like today on a daily basis, just go to our Facebook page. And also, you can go to motoringtvshop.com, get some cool swag. Oh, there's also that Instagram thing.